Two wires P and Q of equal length and cross-sectional area are made of different materials. When the same load is applied, P extends 1.5 mm and Q extends 0.50 mm. Calculate the ratio of the Young moduli P and Q. Okay, let's solve it. So we have our solution. The extension of P is 1.5 millimeters, and the extension of Q is also 0.50 millimeters. But the length and the cross-sectional area of the wires are the same. But Young modulus, let me state it. Young modulus as capital E is inversely proportional to extension, which is small letter e. This means that the Young modulus of P is inversely proportional to the extension of P, which means it's inversely proportional to 1 over 1.5. So therefore, the Young modulus of P is inversely proportional to 1 over 1.5. Okay. The Young modulus of Q will also be inversely proportional to the extension of Q, which means it's inversely proportional to 1 over 0.5. So the Young modulus of Q will be equal to, is proportional to 1 over 0.5. Okay. And the question states we should find the ratio of Young moduli P and Q. So this means that the Young moduli of P over Young modulus of Q, this will be equal to 1 over 1.5. Let me write it well. Okay, so 1 over 1.5 all divided by 1 over 0.5. So EP by EQ will be equal to 0.5 over 1.5. So by using calculator, this will be equal to EP over EQ will be equal to 1 over 3. So therefore the ratio of EP and EQ will be equal to 1:3. Thank you very much. Please like, share, leave a comment, and once again follow or subscribe for more. Bye bye.